Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Energy Transfer. I've talked about them a couple times here on the channel in the past. I have a couple shares, and it's a good dividend stock, although it is going down here lately. So I've done a couple videos about this one, and just time for an update. But again, this is Energy Transfer. Ticker is ET. And here you can see what it's done over the last year. So it's up over 50%. Could have got into it back here at the mid $5 range, 530s. Last 3 months, it's up over 12.5%. In the last month, it's down 7.6%. And it's down again over the last week, 1.10%. And here's a look at Friday yesterday. As you can see, I have 14 shares here in Robinhood. Cost basis of $6.09. If you don't know what Energy Transfer is, it's a natural gas pipeline transportation and transmission services. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. But basically, just MGL. And been around since 1996. 13.14 million average volume with a $29.06 billion market cap. Great ratings on this one at 83%, showing it as a buy. And here's a look at the ratings. This is showing expected September 8th after hours. Bing is showing something else. We'll go over that here in a moment. But here's a look at the dividend. Currently paying 0.1525, and this is quarterly, or you could just break it down to like 5 cents a month. But 14 shares at that, and this is what you get for a payout quarterly. Looks like the last time I bought some shares was back in November, and looks like it filled at $6.03. But this is a good dividend. It's a high-paying dividend one. That's why I got into it, and I'm currently holding it. And Energy Transfer gains but lags market, what you should know. And this is just dated on Thursday, the 29th. In the latest trading session, ET closed at 997. Making a plus 0.2% move from the previous day. The stock lagged the S&P 500 daily gain of 0.42%. Prior to today's trading, shares of the energy-related services provider had lost 6.4% over the past month. This has lagged the oil's energy sector loss of 5.68% and the S&P 500 gain of 2.64% in that time. Wall Street will be looking for positivity from ET as it approaches its next earnings report date. This is expected to be August 3rd of 2021. So this is showing next earnings date as of the 3rd. So I believe, let's pull up the calendar. That would be this coming Tuesday. Company is expected 24 cents up, 84.62% from the prior year quarter. Meanwhile, our latest consensus estimate is calling for revenue of $15.54 billion, up 111.72% from the prior year quarter. Zacks consensus estimates are calling for earnings of $2.13 per share and revenue of $62.87 billion. These results would represent year-over-year changes and plus 987.5% and 61.38% respectively. So I had some good growth with this one. Like I said, it's a good dividend paying one. If you're looking for some dividend stocks and something to diversify into, that's kind of what caught my eye on this one. But when I got into it, it was in the $5 to $6 range. Here it kind of goes over some ratings. We'll hit that here towards the end. Looking at its valuation, ET holding a forward PE ratio of 4.66, This represents a discount compared to the industry's average forward PE of 9.95. The oil and gas production pipeline industry is part of the oil's energy sector. This group has a Zacks industry rank of 62, putting it in the top 25% of all 250 plus industries. And moving on over here to Reddit. And I don't even know what that is. I don't think that pertains to energy transfer. Over here to StockTwits, currently at $9.86. Latest forecast and market data for energy transfer. Waiting for a buy signal on ET. $9 on X date. Earnings after the close on Tuesday, 8/3. And over here on tip ranks, currently at 986, showing a strong buy, 8 out of 8. So excellent ratings with an upside of $14.14, 43% upside, high of 18, low of 13. But if you have ET, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information that you might have, and that we can share and compare this one or your thoughts on it, period. So, and if there's any other natural gas plays out there that we could take a look at as well. So if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.